Rīgā LNK sporta parkā otrdienas rītā Latvijas čempionu vienību futbolā RFS aizvadīja pirmspēles treniņu. Jau rītvakar Rīgas klubam ir iespēja rakstīt vēsturi un kļūt par pirmo klubu Latvijā, kas 2 reizes iekļūsi kādā no Eirokausa pamaturnīriem. Pirmajā mačā Andorā mūsu komanda pret Santa Colomu bija pārāk ar 2-0, tādēļ tagad viss ir pašu rokās. Pirms 2 gadiem RFS iekļuva UEFA konferences līgas grupu turnīrā, kur Latvijai dāvināja fantastisku neizšķirtu viesos pret Itālijas futbola milzu Fiorentina un neizšķirtu mājās pret bagāto Turcijas Başakşehir. Tagad RFS ir iespēja atkal nodrošināt Eirokausa rudeni.
It's very important because we know the goals of the team, the goals of the club. Now we have good opportunity to go in Europe, and we are ready for that because we know how important it is for the club, also for the championship in Latvia. It's always very important because the career is not only in national team. Okay, it's good for national team, for country, but I think also to write on history in what club, I think is always the very important moment in life, and we think we can achieve it tomorrow. Always in Europe is different, so it's important, okay, we are at home, but it doesn't mean nothing because we go there and we won 2-0, and I think they will come with attitude to make the same because 2-0 in European competition is nothing, so we need to be ready, focus on tomorrow. Tomorrow will be another game and an interesting game. No, it's good because from the first moment that always I say thank you to the dressing room. This family helped me to come inside the team, and I think now is very important and it's very good because we have this confidence, this attitude to go together, and they help me in every moment, and the communication is very well now.
Ja RFS izdosies pārvarēt Santa Colomu barjeru, RFS turpinās cīņu UEFA Eiropas līgas play-off kārtā, bet ceļazīme vismaz uz konferences līgas pamaturnīru jau būs kabatā. Biļetes vēl ir pieejamas www.fkrfs.lv/biļetes. Esi kopā un palīdzi rakstīt vēsturi. Tiekamies jau rītvakar Baltijā modernākajā sporta kompleksā LNK sporta parks.